Title IX is an education amendment enacted in 1972. It prohibits education institutions that accept federal funding from discriminating against students on the basis of sex.
Really, Title IX prohibits any act that prevents a student from having equal access to the student's education or extracurricular activities.
Originally, Title IX was thought of as the sports statute, and it was invoked to ensure that both genders have equal opportunities in athletics.
Now it's the statute that's invoked when there are allegations of sexual assault or sexual harassment on campuses.
Title IX cases are administrative in nature. That means that the college or university conducts a hearing. It's not in a court of law, so it's very different.
A key difference is the burden of proof. In most campus Title IX cases, the burden of proof is a preponderance of the evidence, which means 50% plus a feather.
Plus that feather, it can really make a difference. So how do we evaluate what is the feather? By looking at evidence, but again, it's not a court of law, so the rules of evidence are different. Hearsay is allowed.
With the recent change to the Title IX regulations, the law now allows for advisors to conduct cross-examination, and that's brought about a significant impact in how these cases unfold in campuses.
We're no longer potted plants who can sit in the corner. We can actually participate and advocate for our clients in a more aggressive, participatory manner.
A question that we're regularly asked once parents get that dreaded news that their child's involved in a campus Title IX case is, what do we do next? And the first thing we say is hire a student advisor. But not just any lawyer. Really, you need a student advisor, a lawyer, who's experienced in these cases, who understands how to look for and find evidence, how to really guide a student through one of the most challenging times, and also a lawyer who understands how to interface with campus administrators, with campus general counsel.
Each university is unique, and each university has its own student handbook. And the first thing Christina and I do, and our team, is read the policies, make sure we understand how to operate, navigate, and advocate within those student policies.
After reviewing a policy, it's essential for the student involved in a Title IX case to really start to think about what evidence is available, good or bad, and also what witnesses could really assist in that student's case.
And we understand that there's a lot at stake here. While these aren't courts of law, no one's going to go to jail from a Title IX case or be hit with a monetary sanction. Students' entire academic future is at stake. Students are at risk of suspension or expulsion or even degrees being withheld from an academic institution. It's very serious.
The stress associated with these cases, it's hard for parents. It's even more challenging for students. And so that's why we always encourage parents to have an open dialogue with their student and really think about, how can my child make it through? Does my child perhaps need to come home for a period of time? Do I need to locate mental health support for my child?
Or do we just need to advocate for some accommodations? We've had students to reach out to the Title IX office and say, I need help. I need some change in schedule. I need time and a half on examinations. I need to move certain examinations so I can prepare for my Title IX interview.
And lastly, the social fallout from these cases can be significant. So again, it's important to regularly check in with your child, have open conversations, or again, find your child the support that might be needed during this difficult time.
We can't underestimate, as parents of students who are going through Title IX cases, the parental role of support is invaluable in making sure that the students can handle the stress of the process. So we like to keep parents involved in any way that is meaningful to the parent, whether that's a daily check-in or a weekly meeting. You as parents are important to your students' success in a Title IX matter.